Hi, Deborah Chandler. This is us in Atlanta, Georgia. This is unbelievable. And I'm talking about my husband out there right now with his silly self playing in the snow. He's out there, and then a guy's truck is stuck out on the road. Can you see my husband? Not sure. But anyway, he got no business out there, and he snowed the plow, and he couldn't get it. And, oh my God, it's horrible. This is probably the thickest we ever seen the snow here. Unbelievable. That's our vehicles, if you can see them at all. That's the guy's truck out there that can't move it. Wow. I am so blessed that I did not go out today. And I'm praising God for another day and bringing my husband back home safely when he went out. And he decided that he shouldn't try to go out, and he came back home. Praise God. Praise God. God knows. God knows. That's my hubby trying to help this guy.